In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. If you want to change the language you see in the Steam app and also set the languages that shape what you see in the store and on your profile, here's a clear walkthrough you can follow from start to finish. With Steam open, look to the very top left corner of the window and click on Steam. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This opens a panel where you can control how the app looks and behaves. In this panel, select Interface. This is where you'll find the option to change how the Steam client itself displays text. Look for Steam client language. Next to it, you'll see a drop-down. Click that drop-down and choose the language you prefer. This setting changes the menus, buttons, and messages across the app, so pick the language you're most comfortable reading every day. If you're trying a new language, it can help to remember the location of this menu so you can switch back anytime. After choosing your language, give the app a moment to update. It's normal for the interface to refresh as your choice takes effect. Now, there's another place to set language preferences that affect what you're shown across the store, recommendations, and parts of your profile. Move your attention to the top right area of Steam and go to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, click on Account Details. This is where your account level settings live. Scroll until you see Language Preferences and open that section. Here, you can select a primary language. This tells Steam which language to prioritize for store pages, news, and other content it can tailor for you. Right below that, you can also select the additional languages you understand. Choosing additional languages helps Steam show you more relevant content when it's available in those languages, including game descriptions, user reviews, and community posts. It's a great way to broaden what you see without changing the app's interface language. Once you've made your selections, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. This confirms your choices and updates your account. If you don't see changes right away in the store or community sections, give it a moment and browse again. The new preferences will guide what Steam shows you going forward. That's all you need. You've adjusted the Steam client language and fine-tuned your account's language preferences so both the interface and your content are customized to your liking.